students, today in this module we study about chapter 2 chemistry. Is matter around us pure? So what is this pure? You are heard about pure ghee. This ghee is whether pure? According to chemistry language, it is not pure because it is made up of two or more substances. So what is this pure substances? So pure substances are those which are made up of only one kind of matter and which cannot be classified further by any physical means. They are called pure substances. So pure substances are those which are made up of only one kind of matter which cannot be further classified by any physical means. That is called pure substances. So two. Pure substances are classified into two. One is called element and the other one is called compound. So what is this element? Now elements are those pure substances which are made up of same kind of atom. Elements are those pure substances which are made up of same kind of atom. So this element is further classified into three. One is called metal, other is called non-metal, and the next one is called metalloid. So elements are those pure substances which are made up of only one kind of matter atom which cannot be further divided or classified into other chemical substances by any physical means. So elements are made up of only one kind of atom which cannot be divided into any other kind of atom by any physical means. They are classified into three: metal, non-metal and metalloid. So what is this metal? Metal are those pure substances which are hard, which are mostly exist in the form of solid, which have high melting point. They are malleable. Malleable means what? Which is easily changed into sheet form on beaten by another substances. Next, metals are ductile, means easily changed into bilayer form when drawn by force. They are sonorous, means they produce sound when beaten by any hard substances. Give some example of metal. Then the answer is iron, copper, sodium are metal. Why they are called metal? Because they are hard. Iron are metal because they are made up of same kind of iron atom. Copper are metal because they are made up of copper atoms. Next is non-metal. Non-metal are those elements which exist in the form of solid, liquid and mostly gas. Give some example of gaseous non-metal. Then the answer is hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Solid, then carbon, iodine. Liquid, then answer bromine. And what are the properties of non-metal? Then non-metal are non-lustrous, non-metal are non-malleable, non-metal are non-ductile, non-metal are non-sonorous, and they mostly exist in the form of gaseous state. So other is the metalloid. What is metalloid? Metalloid are those elements which have both the properties of metal and non-metal. For example, silicon. Silicon is metalloid. So elements are classified into what? Metal, non-metal and metalloid. What is element? Element are those which are made up of one kind of atom which cannot be divided into another kind of atom by any physical means. This compound. What is this compound? Compound is also a pure substance. Why compound is called pure substance? Because it is made up of two or more same element present in a fixed ratio. What is the meaning of here same element? So look at carbon dioxide. It is made up of carbon and oxygen. So compound is made up of two or more elements which are present in a fixed ratio. Ratio means this is called carbon dioxide only when it contains one part of carbon and two part of oxygen. If you change their ratio, it is not carbon dioxide. For example, CO. So CO is carbon dioxide? No, it is carbon monoxide. So what is the correct formula of carbon dioxide? Which contain one part of carbon and two part of oxygen. So compound is what? It is homogeneous in nature, means that two substances are, or these two elements are not separated by any layer. Compound are formed by chemical reaction. The properties of compound are different from their constituent element. What is the meaning of this? So again we taking the example of carbon dioxide. Here carbon is solid, oxygen is gas. Oxygen is supporter of combustion. When they combine together, they form carbon dioxide. Its property is different. It is gas and it is non-combustible. It is used as an extinguisher. So what we notice, the property of compound is totally different from their constituent element. So compound are pure substances which are made up of two or more elements which are present in a fixed ratio. They are homogeneous in nature. They are prepared by chemical reaction. Their properties are different from their constituent element. This compound is further classified into inorganic compound and organic compound. So what is inorganic compound? Those compounds which are obtained from earth crust. Those compounds which are obtained from earth crust, which are obtained from non-living sources, are called inorganic compound. For example, sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide, all are inorganic. What is organic compound? Organic compound are those which are obtained from living sources and its main component of element is carbon. Means those compounds which are obtained from plant or animal are called organic compound. For example, CH4, methane, ethane. These are organic compound. So now students, you are able to define element as well as compound as well as their classification with the help of its example. Now in the next module, we will learn more about mixture, which is a impure substances. It means substances are of two types, pure and impure. Pure are those which are made up of only one kind of atom. So today's module we cover the classification of pure substances. In the next module we study about impure substances and how will we separate it. Thank you.